Hello everyone. This is Camtasia Studio, as you can see, and I'm recording it with Camtasia Recorder. And I thought in the past I did a tutorial of Power Director, but when I go to Power Director, I had several times that I got the message. Application has failed to start, and then later on configuration is incorrect. So I don't know what I did wrong, or whether it's Power Director itself. It's a 64-bit program, and it can have I think about 100 clips. Right now we get the message here: keep the current color scheme, I would say. And but that's for a person like me. I think that's kind of overkill, 100 clips. But I think Camtasia has a long record, and it is Camtasia Studio 7. The latest one is 7.1, but maybe it's better to be a little conservative and stay with this one. Now, what I want to do is to show you how to edit a video in Camtasia Studio. So now here we have two things. We have here Camtasia Studio, and then you can import media. And I don't know why when I go here, then you can see nothing, because this is occupying stuff. But they have two options. When I throw this away, then I can import media there. I don't know why they do that. Or maybe one of you know that. Maybe you can tell me. So let's see how this is going to work. Import media. And then we got a lot of stuff here. I think we have to go to, let's see, now I think this one maybe. Yeah, I think this one. And then open. First I have to click on this one. Then it comes here, file name 009, and then open. And then it will come here in a moment. And then I draw it here, right? And there it is. And then it asks, what size do you want your video to be? Now, that depends on what your preference is. For instance, you can make it, when you want to have a really gorgeous one, you can make this one, for instance, 1280 times 720. But when I do that, I cannot see it on I can see it on my iPod, but it doesn't work right. It skips and it stalls. So that's not what I do. So I do another one, and I choose iPhone, iPod Touch. Another advantage is that the loading to YouTube is so much shorter. When you do a big one like that, it takes so long. So let's, in this case, let's take this one, and then we have 480 times 320. Keep aspect ratio, is okay. But then going to the movie itself, the first part, I don't want to have the first part, because there's all things on it that I don't want to have in it. So I go here, and then I'm here at 50 minutes. That's too far. I want to go back a little. Want to go back more. Now we are almost there, guys. Here, here, here. Here I want to start here. I've done that on the original one too, that you can see on I don't know, a proper one. So here you see the line here. What I do here is go to, just as with the other one, the power director, you can you click here right click, and you say split, or you click on split, and then there's a split, and then you go to this part that you want to remove, click right again and remove from the timeline. So now it starts here, and you can see it. Here's where you start. The other part is you throw it away. Now I want to have only, say, 2 or 3 minutes movie, and I can see how far I want to go. I can do it here, and I can do it here too, right? Now I think here it is 3 minutes. Let's see if we can go a little bit back. No, that's too much. Let's see. Let's run it a little. Sorry for the noise, guys. Sorry for the noise. Maybe I should take that noise away, but let's see how we can do that. Audio. Volume down. Enable noise removal. Oh, let's do that, because later on I might do some overdubbing with sound, but maybe not. Maybe it's just a volume down. Let's do it this way. Volume down, okay? And then listen again. Yeah, the volume is down now, but I don't see it moving right there. Let's do it right again. I don't know what the reason is. Maybe we have to go to clip bin, okay? Hey, what's going on here? What's going on? Oh, I see. We are here right now. We are at the end. So we have to go to the beginning here. Okay. Now let's listen. Go volume. Okay, that's okay. Now this is kind of the beginning of the movie, but this doesn't make sense here. So what we are going to do is we make another introduction. We go to here, view, no, the tools, and then we go to title clips. That's the one I think we need to have. Add title clip. Here we have the title clip, and then we type something in like tutorial. And then we can make it big, you know, and maybe we can give it some text drop shadow. and it's a little small. I think we can make it bigger. We can make, say, 26. Okay, a tutorial, and then Camtasia editing. It's a big C. Okay, it's a nice in the middle of the screen, but I think it should be this, right? It's better. Okay, now and then we go running. We run. Nothing has happened there. Add title clip. We did it already. We don't need the second one, do we? We go back here. We should go back here. We are now in title clips, and we go away from that. By the way, let's see if we can go when we will later on when we want to do some subtitling. We can go here and go to captions. That's subtitling. That's really neat too in Camtasia. So, but right now go to clip bin. Oh, I saw there something wrong. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what's happening. This shouldn't be there, right? It shouldn't be there. Now we got it, but that first part shouldn't be there. Let's go back. Okay. That's too much noise. Let's go put it a little bit down here. Okay. Now this is the beginning. I expect the title clip. Okay. So let's see what's happening. I don't know what happened, guys. Yesterday I did another movie and it was perfect, but one way or another it doesn't work at the moment. So, but anyway, now we're going to look where we're going to cut off how long we're going to do it, and that's, I said, about 3 minutes. It's about here, and then let's see what's happening here. It doesn't move here, but in reality when it's rendered it's moving, of course. So we are here. I think that's about time to stop. I don't see it moving, but it is. Right? Okay, now I'll go to stop now. And then we do the same thing as we did before. We said split, and then we say remove from timeline, right? So this is the whole movie. It's only then we got this one back. I hope it's working now. Now when we have this, I wonder what it is. Okay, anyway, let's go. I don't see it moving here. Now it's moving here. That's not what I want, right? So the Camtasia tutorial is here now, I guess, right? That's not my intention. So I take this away and stop now. Stop it. I take it away if I can. That's it. Cut. And then this is away. This, and then I sit here. I wonder if I can put it here like this. No, it doesn't work at the moment. But anyway, I did something wrong, and I think it's a nice feature. And let's show you what happened when you do the captions. These are now you can do the captions here, and when you are here, you click on Add Captions, and then you get the distance, right, where you add it, and then you type something like hello everyone, and then it comes here on the screen. Isn't that beautiful? Then you go a little bit further, and then it stops. At a certain moment, it went away. You see, and I don't know if you can change that. I think you must have been able to change that, but then you can put in another one. How are you, or something. You see? So, and then the next thing is that you have to save it, and then I always have some difficulties with those different things. Save project as, and then you do here something, say untitled, or say Camtasia tutorial, and then you save it, but then you save it as this. You don't save it as an AV thing or whatever. So save. Now and then you got this, and that's kind of I don't understand that either, to be honest. You know, to create a share, you must produce your project. So what do they mean by that? You know, maybe one of you know that. Yeah. So let's click on that. What that means. Produce and share a video. The production process, also called rendering, creates an album. Okay. We have seen this one, right? So let's see. Let's just say okay. Now I think we have to go where normally we save stuff in the Camtasia folder, and go here, and then go to Documents, and go all the way to Camtasia folder, and that's here, Camtasia Studio, and then look at the date. It is today. I don't see the date. It's oh yeah, here it is. Camtasia tutorial. And then we see this. That's where it just come from, right? That's not what we want. Well, actually, maybe it does. Let's right click, open with other programs. I don't think you can open it with another program because it's a specific extension for Camtasia Studio, right? I can browse it and look at it. I don't think that makes sense. So let's go back then and go here. Here. That's not the one. That's the recording one. It's 21 minutes. So Camtasia Studio. Now, oh, okay. I don't know. Say yes. And then go back here again. Now here, we recognize that, don't we? So let's go to iPhone. I think that's the one we have to go. Then this is very nice M4V. They work very well on an iPod. You know, you have MP4 too, but these are really nice. So, and when you do something else, you can have another extension, of course. So next, and then you have Camtasia Studio, and you put it here, and then say finish, and then it starts rendering, right? Then it starts running. So I think that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you like it, and there were glitches, but I think it's interesting. An interesting editor, right? And in that the first thing that the name is that worked yesterday. Now it didn't work for circumstances because there was already one, but not the one that I wanted. Okay, hope to see you again.